here goes. You know I'm doing this really quickly, but I'm excited. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. All right, so originally I was actually going to wait for my vintage piece to come in from Coach, but you guys, literally, like I told you guys before, Coach has done a Coach Originals. So it's basically a re-release of all of the old school, back in the day, original pieces that they had before, and they've re-released it. So I'm saying that all to say, I don't know how long everything is going to be in stock, in store. I don't know how long they're going to have it. Already when you go online, there's a lot of pieces that literally have sold out. So like I said in my last video, you guys might want to just go in there, look to see what you like, look to see what they have, and kind of, you know, order something, or go to your store, see what they have and order it, because it is going, and it is in limited quantity, you guys. And I don't know if they will replenish or what have you, but definitely go call Coach, call the stores, look online, call the 800 number and see. So I am saying that all to say, yes, I am impatient. I couldn't wait, because when I went to the store, I actually ordered this, so I have not seen it at all whatsoever, up close, up front. I'm literally looking at this the same time you guys are. All right, so this is actually the receipt. I ordered it in the store and I picked it up in the store. So this is going to be my first time seeing it, and it is something that I kind of looked online. I looked at it with my husband, and he was like, you know, I think this one would look really nice on you. Go ahead and get this one. And I'm glad I did, because when I looked online again, this particular one, color and everything like that, was actually out of stock. So I don't know what everybody's preference is, but they do have several different colors in this. And again, this is part of the Coach Originals that Coach is doing, and they are reimagining or re-releasing a lot of the old school or vintage pieces, because again, I have a bag that's vintage. It literally, all right, so I actually took it from my mom. Yes, that particular bag I took from my mom. And that one is vintage because when she bought that one, I believe when they looked it up, she bought that in 1998. So because of that, it is about 21 years old, which will in turn make it vintage. So anything that is 10 to 20 years or more older, it's considered to be vintage. So I was waiting to get that bag, which I think it's on its way pretty soon, because they fixed what was wrong with it, and I wanted to kind of like unbox that, both of them together with you. But I'm gonna unbox this, and then when that one comes, I'm actually going to do a comparison to tell you the differences of this reimagined one and the vintage one that I have, because the vintage one that I have, they actually redid that one exactly. So this one is just a little bit reimagined, same thing, but just a few differences. So here it is. I love this bow. This box is cute. So as you can see, it's a small little box, so it's not huge. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see it literally being unboxed, because this is my first time looking at it, and it's so pretty. I like the way they did it. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so hopefully it doesn't fall out, but see, this is why I don't do unboxings, y'all, because I'm not patient. I'm not patient. All right, I don't have the patience. So how is this? All right, so I'm gonna take this out from here. You guys, literally, if you want to fast forward this part, you are more than welcome to do so, because I have no patience. All right, so I put that box over there and made sure everything is out of my way. I got this dress from Target, little striped dress. It's who, what, where, if anybody was wondering, and I'll link that below just in case anybody was wondering. But all right, here goes. I know I'm doing this really quickly, but I'm excited because it's my first time actually seeing it as well. And again, you guys, Coach Originals. Coach Originals, so they're bringing everything back. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This has a scratch on it. All right. So besides that, I need to take this back because I'm extremely upset about this. But other than that, you guys, this is the Coach Original Willis top handle bag. There it is. There it is. There it is in all its glory. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I wish I had my vintage bag to show you, but I am going to do a comparison side by side when I get that, and you guys can kind of see for yourself the differences. I can tell you the biggest difference between those two bags is this particular bag, the Willis top handle bag, is more structured. So if you like a structured bag, this is definitely the bag for you. If you don't like a structured bag and you're looking for a vintage or reimagined bag that the Coach is doing, then the other one that they have on the website you can go and take a look at. But okay, so you have a turn lock closure. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, so you have the top handle as you see here. On the back, if you flip it, you actually have a flat slip pocket, which closes with a magnetic closure, so I like that. And then of course you have the turn lock closure, so you open it like so, and then when you open it up, that blue, which I need to call, because honestly, to tell you the truth guys, when I saw this online it was more of a burgundy color, so I'm really unhappy about that. But I mean, besides that, the bag is very, very nice. It has two open compartments, compartment 1, and then you have compartment 2 right here in the front. And then of course you have a zipper compartment. So I will definitely do a full-on review with this bag, and I'm going to do that once I get my vintage bag back from being kind of like going through a little maintenance or whatever, what have you. But I will do a full-on review with that bag. But right now I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing with you guys to let you know that this Willis top handle bag is part of the Coach Originals, aka the reimagined, the archive inspired bags. So you guys, if this is your type of style, this is the bag for you. So kind of just like I said, letting you know a little bit of things about it. It does have D-rings to put your adjustable as well as detachable strap on, and if you want to take it off you can, and just again hold it by top handle. But you guys, this bag is too super cute. I love it. I'm glad I got it. I do see a scratch on it, so I'm not happy about that. So I need to call Coach because I am pretty mad right now. Either which way, I can't stop looking at it because it's so beautiful. It's this glove tanned buttery soft leather, and it's really cute, you guys. Very sophisticated, and I love this bag. So that is it. I will do a full-on review of this particular bag once my vintage bag comes, and then you will get the full effect of this beautiful bag. All right. You can kind of see. You see it? Do you see the scratch? Let me back it up. Right there. Right there. I'm not happy about that, but I'm going to call Coach. But either which way, other than that, I'm extremely happy. This is my first time actually seeing it. That's why I cannot stop looking at it. But I'm glad I got it. I love this bag. It's cute. I know I always say I love this bag, but I like when I kind of like follow my instincts, and especially follow his, because a lot of times when he says, no, I think you should get it, a lot of times he's right about that. And that's because he has this sixth sense of, he knows that, you know what, you need to get it because it might run out. You never know. So I like it. Yeah. There you go. And there you have it. All right. So I will talk to you guys later. All right. And thank you for watching. Thank you guys for coming back always. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. So go ahead and like this video, share, comment, and subscribe, you guys. So you guys, you have any questions, leave them below. You have any comments, leave them below. Okay, but like And do not forget to subscribe. Just subscribe, click the button, click the bell, get notified. All right. All right. That is it. I will talk to you guys later. Okay. Bye.